Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video we are going to see Microsoft Dynamics CRM plugin registration tool login error. When I'm trying to log in into plugin registration tool, it says you don't have permission to access any of the organization in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM online region that you specified. If you are not sure which region your organization resides in, choose don't know for the CRM region and try again. Otherwise, check with your CRM admin. Check the description for code link. Make sure you are connected to the internet before you log in. I am going into local disk F and I am going to create a folder named as tools. Next, I am going to open Windows PowerShell. Here I am going to type cd capital F colon enter to navigate into local disk F. Then I am going to type dir directory. Here you can see the tools folder. Now I am going to type cls clear screen. Now let us go into the tools folder. As you can see here, the tools folder is empty. Next I am going to type cd space tools, the folder name, and press enter. Link to the code is given in the description. Copy the code and paste it in your Windows PowerShell and press enter. Wait until the PowerShell execution completes. Next I am going to open the tools folder. As you can see here, another tools folder has been created. Just open it. Now next go to plugin registration folder. Open plugin registration application. Next click on create new connection. Click on Office 365 and tick mark show advanced option. Next enter the username and password credential and click on login button. Boom, now we are able to log in into plugin registration tool, and this is how we solve plugin registration tool login error. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.